Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Mercedes wheel. First, ensure your safety by parking on a flat, stable surface, away from any moving vehicles. Always engage the parking brake firmly. For added security, place wheel chocks behind the wheel diagonally opposite the one you're changing. Before you begin, gather all necessary tools, including your jack, lug wrench, and the spare tire. Now, let's prepare the wheel. Carefully remove the wheel cap to expose the lug bolts. Using your lug wrench, slightly loosen each bolt by turning it counterclockwise about 1/2 to 1 full turn while the car is still on the ground. Next, locate the correct jacking point as indicated in your owner's manual. Position the jack securely and slowly raise the vehicle until the tire is approximately 2 to 3 inches off the ground. With the vehicle lifted, you can now fully unscrew all the lug bolts and carefully remove the flat tire from the hub. For an extra layer of safety, you can slide the removed flat tire under the vehicle's frame. Next, take your spare tire and carefully align its holes with the wheel studs on the hub. Mount the spare tire onto the vehicle, ensuring it sits flush. Hand tighten each lug bolt onto the spare. Once the spare tire is hand tightened, slowly lower the vehicle completely to the ground. Now, using your lug wrench, tighten the lug bolts securely in a star pattern. Refer to your owner's manual for the specific torque specifications, usually around 80 to 90 foot-pounds. Replace the wheel cap, store all your tools, and secure the flat tire. Remember to check the spare tire's pressure and get the flat tire repaired as soon as possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.